Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing scope. Pick the minimum set of entities that satisfy current requirements, not every future wish. Once done, sketch each entity with its primary key and 3-6 essential attributes and label obvious relations. Make sure to pick data types now, integers for ID, varchar, length for names, because these choices drive foreign key design. Use a simple notation like crow's foot. It keeps diagrams readable. Start drawing boxes and naming columns, so your first draft is now resolve relationships. Convert many-to-many into associative tables and define composite keys where necessary, because that prevents duplicate linkage and enforces integrity. Once complete, check normalization, aim for third normal form unless denormalization is justified for performance. Make sure to annotate cardinality and optionality on each relationship so developers and DBAs read the same constraints. Add indexes for frequent lookup columns and document cascading rules. Finish by exporting the diagram and producing DDL so the team can build the schema. You'll want both visual and executable artifacts. Once done, write short notes describing each entity's role, key constraints, and a couple of sample queries to illustrate usage. If things go wrong, validate with test data, insert realistic rows to trigger joins and constraints, and run a schema linter to catch naming or type mismatches. Make sure to iterate. Small fixes now prevent costly refactors later.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.